Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will explore a simple yet powerful feature in Excel that helps you organize your data efficiently. Merging cells can make your spreadsheet look cleaner and help highlight important information clearly. First, open Excel on your computer. Next, click and drag to select all the cells you want to merge. Then, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen to access the main formatting options. After that, look for the Merge and Center button in the Alignment section of the toolbar. Click on Merge and Center to see a small drop-down menu with different merging options. Choose Merge Cells from the drop-down to combine the selected cells into a single cell. Finally, check your spreadsheet to make sure the cells are merged the way you want, and adjust the formatting if necessary. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.